In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under industrialization. So guys, this video will be an introduction to industrialization. Let's get started. We have about 18 to 20 questions to practice with. The first question I have here says, localization of industry refers to the we have setting of industry near the market, we have spreading of firms producing different products, concentration of firms of an industry, siting of firms producing different products. So the right answer is option C, which is concentration of firms of an industry. Okay, very important. The next question is this one. It says manufacturing involves the process of we are producing capital goods only, making goods available, providing finished products, changing items to new states. The right answer is option D, which is changing items to new states. The next question is this one. It says the slow pace of industrial growth in Nigeria can be attributed to lack of raw materials, inadequate number of unskilled labor, we have inadequate infrastructural facilities, overdependence on the oil sector. The right answer is option C, which is inadequate infrastructural facilities. Next question is this one. It says the major advantage of industrialization is that it leads to self-reliance, improves the terms of trade, leads to growth and development, curbs inflation. The right answer is option C, which is leads to growth and development. The next question is this one. It says since the mid 1980s, the most disturbing development in the industrial sector in Nigeria is we have poor technology, labor intensity, capital intensity, capacity underutilization. The right answer is option D, which is capacity underutilization. Very important, guys. The next question is this one. It says in Nigeria, the location of steel industry at Ajaokuta is due to real proximity to large deposits of oil of iron ore, political consideration, the availability of transport network, the proximity of source of power. So the right answer is option A, which is the proximity to large deposits of oil ore. Okay, next question is this one. It says concentrating industries in one place is advantageous because there are gains in terms of we have cost economies of scale, external economies, internal economies. So guys, the right answer is option C, which is external economies. Next question is this one. It says an important contribution of small scale industries to the Nigerian economy is in the area of raw materials processing, technology development, foreign exchange earnings, labor employment. So guys, the right answer to this question is option D, which is labor employment. Okay, next question is this one. It says manufacturing involves the process of, I think we have already answered this question. It's a repeated question here. Option B is the right answer, changing items to new states. Next question is this one. It says as industrialization increases, the total output of an economy will also increase. Option D. The next question is this one. So guys, before we attend this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of these videos. We really appreciate this. So this question says an industry is, we have this, they are looking for a definition, a group of firms producing distinct commodities, a group of firms producing differentiated products, a group of firms producing related goods, a group of firms producing all related goods. So the right answer is option C, which is a group of firms producing related goods. Okay, the next question is this one. It says one of the problems arising from the localization of industries is we have the exportation of output, the scarcity of foreign exchange, structural unemployment, high prices of output. The right answer is option C, which is structural unemployment. Next question is this one. It says an industry is I think I would answer this question, is a group of firms producing related commodities. Okay, so that's the right answer, option A. The next question is this one. It says the failure of the Nigerian industrial sector is mainly associated with inadequate capital, underdeveloped infrastructure facilities, inadequate market for industrial goods, lack of raw materials. Right answer is option B, which is underdeveloped infrastructural facilities. Next question is this one. It says two basic features common to an industry are production processes and source of capital and labor supply, similarity of products and source of raw materials, similarity of products and production processes. The right answer is option D, which is similarity of products and production processes. Okay, the next question is this one. It says, when compared with a labor intensive industry, a capital intensive industry employs more machinery than workers than capital, workers than machinery, raw materials than capital. So let's look at the question again. It says, when compared with a labor intensive industry, a capital intensive industry employs more. So the right answer here, guys, is option A, which is machinery than workers. Okay, the next question is this one. It says, infant industries denote industries which option A are allowed time enough to mature for recognition, are too young to compete in the world market, produce baby food and mother care products, are introducing new products. The right answer is option B, which is are too young to compete in the world market. Okay, the next question is this one. It says, a major cause of slow pace of industrialization in Nigeria is inadequate. We have communal labor, land mass, skilled labor, raw materials. The right answer is option C, which is inadequate skilled labor. Next question is this one. It says, a factor that influences the location of a firm near its market is the availability of skilled manpower, external economies, high cost of transporting finished goods, transportation of bulk raw materials. So the right answer is option C, which is high cost of transporting finished goods. Okay, very, very important. The last question for any video is this one. It says, the most popular adopted industrialization strategy in West Africa is, we have export promotion, infant industries protection, post development, import substitutes. So guys, the right answer, import substitution. The right answer to this question is option D, which is import substitution. So this is the most popular adopted industrialization strategy in West Africa. So guys, this is basically how you can do problems under introduction to industrialization for your JAMB economics. We practice with about 18 to 20 replay questions for this topic. Hope there's something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, once more ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Let me know how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question as regarding the things I've talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the JAMB button and getting premium information on help you to excel in your SNET exams like your JAMB and other SNET exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the next screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.